Hi guys, we are solving 10 question of chapter 1 set and the question number 10 is state the value of NA for each of the following sets, and some points are given here, 4 points are here. Okay, so in this one, first question saying that the months of the year. Months of the years like 12. So this is it. So NA means a number of elements in the set. Number of elements in the set. So first, the months of the year. Months of the total months of the years are the 12. So number of elements will be 12. Second is the planets of our solar system. It will be 8 planets in our solar system. A third one is x is an x integer and minus 8 and 3. So we will include the minus 8, minus 7 and so on. So total will be 12. Minus 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So there are total 12 elements, and now these are even numbers, so we can say there is no countable numbers because it is saying that this is an even number. So how can we say that this is an countable? So we will go up to the minus infinity and goes up to the infinity, so it is called a infinity set, infinite set. So this is the answer of this question. So hope you are enjoying. If you have other queries, you can contact and you can suggest in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next question.